here, when people talk about restoration, they always think it means returning the ecosystem to its previous state. And I insist that nowadays, given the changes, both climate change and anthropogenic development are very complicated. That's why nowadays he talks about ecosystem restoration as helping an ecosystem that has been destroyed or damaged to recover its ecosystem services. Don't we talk about returning the ecosystem to its original state anymore? Both in structure, because it is no longer real, it is not an achieved goal. That is why we now specifically talk about recovering that ecosystem service which the community perceives. I mean, more tangible for them